forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Mabenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Richards Bay 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Mr. Mtungwa.
Hey. Bafana bakithi.
Noma uyifuna ubaba umnikini. Akamntu.
Usisho mina ke la. Yeah, mfowethu. No, iChiefs isibukisa ihlazo namhlanje.
Yeah.
Yalazi ihlazo.
Ile yamntu.
Yeah, shame.
Yes.
Ayenzanga kahle. Ungathi bingenayo iplan ukuthi namhlanje izodlala kanjani.
Yeah.
Ma ungathi uyabuka uSerino nje ngathi ubedukile olwandle.
Sure, thema lapha.
Engazi ngoba ubumthola ngaka right khona lapho phakathi nendawo sele ngaka left awazi wenza kanjani.
Yes, thema lapha.
Yeah, la eswini.
Yeah.
The midfield was what can I say, between Mabue and Ox. I don't think the roles were outlined and defined
Properly.
Not even properly at all.
Oh.
Because you know Ox normally plays in front of the defense.
Yes.
But both of them, you could find them outside the 18 area on the attacking section. Yes. So now you don't understand what is really happening, because I was expecting Ox to remain behind and push Mabue. Then at times when you go with the flow of the game, then Mabue can suck a little bit back, and then Mabue goes forward. But there was no plan.
Yes.
Yeah, they just say, guys, go out there and enjoy yourself. Yeah. I hate this thing of enjoying the game, because you must enjoy the game, but through a plan.
Yes.
So Chiefs had no plan.
Yes.
Then you look at the back when we talk about the plan.
Sure, Tamaran.
We know you can play two right-footed midfield defenders.
Sure.
You can play them, at the center of the park. But two left-footed, no, it doesn't work.
No.
You have Shinga on the left.
Yeah.
You have Cross in the center back. For the first time, Cross playing center back when the team is not doing well. But then you are still testing. We are about 12 or 11 games away from the finish line.
Hey.
So we are still testing. You have McCarthy, in my favorite player.
Yes.
So both of them left-footed. You could see most of the balls, both of them could play them to the far right, because anyway, the left-footed player, we are Sontega.
Yes.
So there was no plan.
Yes.
Last week or last weekend, we fried. Everybody fried Bruce Vuma.
Yes.
And if I spoke about him, I could have fried him as well.
Yeah.
Kodwa namhlanje hayi umfana udlale kahle. Bekufanele kube ufonile iscore.
Yes, man.
Uke wenza i-double save. Wenza kwaba khona amanye amabhola elinye ulisavele kuyiheader ebiyimbi kakhulu. Laphinde labuya washaya enye lapho umdlalo usuphela lapha yana on the floor.
Yeah.
To go down on the floor from close range is not easy for anyone. So Vuma, I think he deserves the next chance. Yeah. But he also needs to show that he wants this thing each and every game.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me congratulate Papi Zotwane.
Yeah.
And Protein.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the other guy who was talking there, I can't remember his name.
Yes.
Yeah. No, their team is very well coached. Their team played very well. You could see they were playing from the back. There was no rush. They were steady, quick when there is a need to be. When they get to the final third, they managed to control the ball in the middle of the park, which made Ox get lost at times. He was trying, but he got lost. It's not that he got lost. These guys were all over him as well.
They were.
Yeah, so they were all over Kaizer Chiefs. So I like that very much. Also, congratulate Thulan Gumede, the goal scorer.
Yeah.
He played a great game. He gave Chiefs problems. He was frustrating those defenders.
He was.
Also, congratulations to Mtinega. the centre back, the captain.
Yes.
He has been there for quite a few seasons, and he's been playing very well. And he's growing as the years go. He's also growing with the game. He gave a game of his life today. So I like that very much. The supporters, they filled up that stadium, and there was a lot of vibe there. I wished I was there.
Me too.
Yeah, ngiyabonga abantu basemhlathuze basigcwalisa istadium badlala kahle nabasuke egoli ke nabo sibafisela abasuke endaweni ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo Goli Cape Town kuphi ngoba phela iChiefs team enkulu.
Yes.
Ngiyabe befikela abalandeli bawo lokho kube kuhle kakhulu. Ngineseluleko. Iseluleko kuba kuwe ukuthi uyasithatha noma usithathe ku Kaizer Chiefs.
Yebo baba.
Ku management.
Bache.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kufanele ukuthi beke behlukanise ukuthi umuntu umsebenzi wakhe yini.
Yes mara.
Abathathi ikhundla lezenkulu. Yabona ubaba uKaizer uthe may retire noma angazi noma retire ngokuphelele noma usecishe wa retire.
Yes.
Kodwa ubaba uMtawunge besazi ukuthi uye iqhude. Njengamanje asazi ukuthi ubani iqhude. Kusandowns uyazi ukuthi iqhude njengamanje uMr Chairman uMr Hlophe Msibi. Ku Pirates uyazi ukuthi ubaba ukhozo usekhona kodwa umpumelelo ukhona.
Yes.
uChiefs angathi akacaci kahle ukuthi ubani omkhulu kunomunye. Mabe ngathatha ngenza isibonelo bethi uBobby mhlambe CEO bethi uKaizer Junior head of operations yabona ngenza isibonelo.
Yes.
uJessica wenza kahle lapha ku marketing bayaqhubeka nerole yakhe. uKemiso Mtawonge angimazi ukuthi wenzani mhlambe HR noma yini bethathe lezi ikhundla ezinkulu bese kulezi ikhundla lezi zase grounding njengalesi siphethwe uJunior ekuyi technical director. I-technical director abaqasha umuntu oxoshekayo.
Yeah.
Ngoba angeke uzuqoshe wena. Abaqashe lapho umuntu oxoshekayo.
Yeah.
Mhlambe baqasha mhlambe uSiphiwe kanje.
Yeah.
Mabe mqasha uSiphiwe Mbatha.
Yeah.
Ulula ukuthi mayengasenzi kahle. Yeah, yo. Khona lokho oqeda ukusho. Khona lokho oqeda ukusho yabona uyaxosheka. Kodwa manje uma ngabe uzobeka esikhundleni esinzima kangaka esibucayi critical ubeka wena kanti vele iproject ivele kuyeyabo ubaba wabo wayikhandela bona manje ekhundleni ezibalekile uTechnical Director uTeam Manager ababeka abantu abaxoshekayo abazothi you advised us not to hire a coach after firing Nabi. Now we find ourselves in this position.
Yeah.
So we are firing you now. Your contract, you failed to perform your duties.
Yes,
so that is very important. Then they can enjoy the money, enjoy the marketing, and enjoy the Kaizer Chiefs that they are selling. But knowing that in those critical positions, we can fire Fleming back right now.
Yes.
So that is very important.
Very.
Otherwise, my man of the match was all the Richards Bay players and Bruce Vuma.
Yeah.
Though he conceded, but I give him. And then I also give it to the fans.
Yes, Amala.
Yes, and I give it to Stibo. You've been standing here. I can see your knees shaking, but you are still standing strong. So we appreciate your effort mfanakithi.
Thank you baba.
Ngesilwathi ulokhuzane uBricks ewini award. Ewina ama award. Wayevele ethi Cleo uyinja sana.
Thank you Temalami.
Nazo.